Candle Range Theory Trader back with a trade that I took on the weekly chart. Weekly chart was just where I got my bias, but I didn't necessarily enter using the weekly chart. But here's the deal: uh, basic candle one right here for this week, candle two right here for this week. So then going into candle three for this current week, which is right now, I was trying to get in below the mid level of candle one, which is here. This liquidity sweep or stop hunt didn't hurt things as well. I like seeing that. So candle two, when candle two makes a sweep and then closes inside the range of candle one, I like seeing that. It's not required, but it's a plus. So when trading the weekly chart, when you have your bias, you can use daily charts for expansion levels. And really, either one of these entries would have been fine. So let's just do like, okay, so this is Monday. Monday was a fake out day. So this was to pretty much tease traders short, was how I read that. We like to see the low of the week being made on either Monday or Tuesday. Tuesday made the low of the week here. So I did a couple entries on this one. I think my entry was, it was around here. And I put a stop loss below the low. So even though it was fairly sizable, but when you trade the weekly chart, you can just scale into it a little bit and expect larger moves. And this did hit the top of candle three. I got out though when it was about 80 pips up. Now it's currently over 100 pips up. Yeah, 113 pips up. But I got out when I saw a green 80 early this morning. So, and remember too, when you trade the weekly chart, you can also look for candle threes on not only the daily time frame, but also the 8-hour time frame. I'm not sure if there were any, but let's take a look and see. Yeah, here goes one right here. So you got candle one, candle two, and then this candle three right here at 1700 on Monday was definitely a good sign. And then it was a straight rise all the way. So that was, I mean, even entering right here at 1 a.m., that was good for 170 pips. So that's the beauty of trading the weekly range. So even though I got in up here, and like I said, I'm not sure when I got out, but yeah, this was just a great trade using the weekly chart as a bias. And so generally when you trade the weekly chart, if you can get 2 green days, this being one, this being two, it could break out of the range. But once it hits the opposite side of the range, I mean, it could break out, but it may not. It could come all the way back. I don't know. So for now, I'm content. I'm not looking for any more upside on this one. But this was a good trade. I'm very thankful that I managed to catch it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So just remember again, top down analysis. Start with the weekly, look for candle twos. And then into the next week, you just have a long bias for the week. And you're only looking for you're only looking for candle threes, be they on the daily or in the 8-hour chart. And even if you're late to the party, try to catch that continuation up to the upside. And if you can get in on the bottom half of the range below the middle of candle one, that's even more ideal right here. So this candle one, and then just using that fib for a 50% retracement. If you can get in on the bottom half of the week and then just anticipate price to just head on up, and that'll be it. So I appreciate your time and attention. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.